Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss example 12.2 from NCERT textbook. Let's read the statement first. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 12 volt? In this question, what is given to us? There are 2 points whose potential difference is 12 volt and we are moving a charge of 2 coulomb in between these 2 points, and we have to calculate what will be the work done in moving 2 coulomb charge. So we will list up the given data first. We will write given that Q means charge is given to us 2 coulomb and potential difference is given to us 12 volt. V is the symbol for potential difference. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate work done. W is the symbol for work done. So after writing all these terms, we need to think all the quantities are given in SI system or not. Since coulomb is the SI unit of electric charge and here we have the value in coulomb, potential difference is given in volt and volt is the SI unit of potential difference. So no need to change these values. To move further, we need to think what is the relation between these 3 quantities to calculate W. Let's revise potential difference between 2 points. Potential difference between any 2 points is the amount of work done in moving a unit charge in between those 2 points. Okay, suppose these are 2 points 1 and 2 and we are moving a charge Q across these 2 points, and suppose W is the work to be done to move this charge from 1 to 2 or 2 to 1. Then what will be the potential difference? Potential difference will be in moving Q coulomb charge between 1 and 2. Work done is W. But this is not the definition of potential difference. Potential difference definition was we have to move unit charge. Unit charge means 1 coulomb charge. So we can always calculate work done in moving unit charge. So when we move 1 coulomb charge in between 1 and 2, then work done will be W upon Q. This is the definition of V. So V will be W upon Q. Okay. We will use this formula in our question. We know by definition potential difference between the 2 points will be W upon Q. We have V, we have W, so we can calculate W. To calculate W, bring Q here, V into Q. After putting these values, what is the value of V? Value of V is 12 and value of Q is 2. So this will be 24. Okay. I hope this question is clear to you. You can solve it orally also if you know the definition of potential difference. Potential difference is given to us, and what is the definition of potential difference? Potential difference is basically work done, but work done on unit charge. So work done in moving 1 coulomb charge is 12 joule. So to move 2 coulomb, what will be the work done? 12 into 2. So you can do it directly also, but in terms of formula you can write it as in this way. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.